welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a Wantable. Wantable is an online styling service. Pay them $20, fill out a style profile, they'll send you a box of curated items for you. They also have a stream where you can wish list and heart items that you like and even decline items you don't like. I do not do Wantable regularly. I do not do certain style boxes regularly because I do not like to pay that $20 fee if there's nothing in the box that I want. As many of you know, I'm pretty choosy about what I buy, and I only buy things that are unique to my wardrobe. I try not to duplicate items in my closet. I like to have unique looks. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got here in my box. And I gotta take my glasses off because I can't see this. The first thing I got really excited about, I thought it was a pair of ecru jeans. They end up being a pair of ecru shorts. So right away, I know I'm gonna return these because I'm just not ready to purchase shorts yet. These are the high-rise utility cargo short and extra small, and my goodness, they're $74. That's crazy for a pair of shorts. They're by Just Black Denim, okay? And they gave me an extra small. That's another thing I think that's weird is jeans or shorts that aren't like an elastic waist, they're size extra small. That's weird. I would think like, 0, 2, 4, etc. I'll try them on for you, but I already know they're going back. All right, too expensive, and I'm just not ready for shorts yet. All right, I did wish list those items, believe it or not. The next thing that she sent was something that I requested, and it's not for me. The Johanna 3/4 sleeve in pine, size extra small. Actually, it's only $27, so maybe it is for me. All right, so it's a knit top. Let me see what this is made out of. And it's like a pine green. Definitely I would call this a pine green. 55% cotton, 45% modal, so pretty nice fabric. Machine wash cold, gentle cycle, inside out, do not bleach, tumble dry low. I would never tumble dry this. And wash before wear. So it has like this half like puff sleeve and a crew neck, and it looks rather boxy. So I'll give it a try. Like I said, I did request it, and it is $27, so not a bad price. Okay. Next up is this top that I did request also on from Z Supply, the Casey Modal V-neck tee in sea glass, also an extra small by Z Supply, $39. Nothing wrong with Z Supply. I like Z Supply. I just have an issue paying $39 for a t-shirt. I think that's kind of crazy. I'd much rather get my t-shirts like this at Target. So I will check this. 55% cotton, 45% modal as well. Machine wash cold gentle cycle. Wash dark colors separately. Only non-chlorine bleach. Tumble dry low. And I would not, again, tumble dry these items. They would shrink to nothingness. Has a nice V-neck. And other than that, it is a regular tee. Very thin. I can see right through the camera to you guys. So I don't know if it will be see-through when I put it on or not. Okay. Next item, something I requested and very excited to get. This is the Crop It To Me Moto Jacket in deep lipstick, size extra small by BB Dakota. This is $99. This has got to fit great for me. Nordstrom also had this jacket, but it's currently sold out, and I'm sure it's going to be available elsewhere. Love the color. It's a bright pink lipstick color. Love it. Hopefully it works for me. Otherwise, I'm going to have to wait until it goes on sale. Item I was so excited to get. All right, I really wanted this, and I even told her in my note that this is my top priority item. This is a name brand I had never heard of before until I started going on the Wantable stream, so I now have a new name brand that I like called Lucy Paris. Lucy Paris is sold at Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom Rack, but it is not sold at Nordstrom. The items at Nordstrom Rack are nothing current though. So this is the Mabel Floral top in white, size 0 extra small by Lucy Paris, and it's $68. I'm gonna have to see how this fits on me. This really does look quite short. I am short, so I usually can get away with it, but this looks really short. It has like a little peplum bottom, and it has the smocking across the top. The sleeves are sheared, and I love this romantic style, and even though I have so much floral, this was just so pretty with the yellow and the green. I don't know, there's something about this that just was calling my name. Buy me, Carolyn, buy me. So it has the tie here in the back. Yeah, I found a new name brand that I like, so I'll try this on, see how this looks, and hopefully it works. I also told her in my note that other top priority was a Skies Are Blue crocheted knit top. She didn't find that, so I'm kind of upset about that. It was in green, I like that. But I also said other priorities, or the other Lucy Paris tops, because the other ones are cute too. So she sent this one along. Again, this is a crop top, but I don't think this is gonna be cropped on me. This is so pretty. Look at the details in this, okay? So this is kind of like a dolman type of style that's sleeveless, if that makes sense. So I think this is gonna give me a really nice shape, I think. I think it's gonna make me look nice and thin. I generally look good with these banded bottoms. It defines my waist. And the material on this is super light and very nice. Like you can wear this like during the heat of summer, it's so light. So the shell is 63% rayon, 37 polyester, and the lining is 100% rayon. So it is super light, and I would wear this during the brutal heat because it is so light and airy. So we'll have to see how it looks on. I'm very excited for this, and it is called the Azalea Floral Top in Lavender, size 0, $58. Very pretty, very, very pretty. All right. And then the last thing is that they gave me these jeans that I'm going to try on with all these different tops. Okay, these are the Happy Crop Flare in Light Wash, size 25. Name brand is Hidden. I never heard of the name brand Hidden before, but they're a flare jean. They're called flare, but they all kind of look like a boot cut. And obviously they have the frayed bottom. They have distressing here at one knee, a little bit at the other knee, a little bit on the side. And I'd say they're a medium wash. Yeah, give them a try. I'm curious. Oh, they're crop flare. I don't think these are gonna be crop on me. So we'll try them on and see how they look. But yeah, I don't have any crop flare jeans, and I think part of the reason I don't have any crop flare jeans is because they're never crop on me. All right, I'm gonna have to come back. I actually have a Zoom call I have to go on, so I will see you in a bit. Up first is the Lucy Paris top that I was coveting for so long. It is $68. It is the rayon on the inside, rayon / polyester on the outside. It has the sheer sleeves with, it's like, I guess they're considered full sleeves. They literally just come here to my wrist, but you can ruche them up and make them look balloony. And they have the smocking here across the top. You do see my bra a little bit over here, so it isn't exactly the most bra friendly, but I don't think it's horrific. This one actually stays on my shoulders, which is nice. My only issue with it is the peplum is sheer, and this part does not come all the way down to my waist. So these are high-rise jeans, and there's about an inch here where it's sheer, and the smocking doesn't cover it. So I'm going to have to look back at the footage, including the back of this, to make sure it's not clinging into my roll, and you can see like this big roll right here of fleshy skin. So yeah, I mean, it's a cute top. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage, make sure I like it, but I love the pattern of this top. I think it's so soft and delicate. Let me come a little bit closer so you can see. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. And yes, I have enough smock tops, but I really like this one, so I think I'm gonna have to keep it. The jeans, all right, they're the Happy Crop Flare in a light wash, size 25. They're $89. And these are no-go because one, at the bottom of it, I feel like a scarecrow. They're just too distressed here at the bottom for my liking. They're too frayed, and I don't think they hit me in a good spot. They're like at an ankle length versus a crop length, so they kind of like hit me weird. They're just a little bit too long for me. And otherwise they fit well. Again, no pulling of the zipper. They are a high rise. They come a little bit above my belly button, which is not bad, maybe like ½ an inch above my belly button. This is the back of them. So not a bad jean. I say they fit true to size. They're just not me. The bottoms of them are just too frayed for my liking, and they just don't come to a right length. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna start throwing on some of the other tops. Oh gosh, this next Lucy Paris top is adorable too. I love this top. I love this name brand. I had never heard of it before, and like I said, I saw it on the Wantable stream, and then I started researching. I'm like, where else can I get Lucy Paris? Because I just love this name brand. Look how feminine and delicate it is. It has a banded waist here, and it has kind of like flutter sleeve in this dolman type of style without it being a dolman. So you see, it doesn't ride up on me. I'm wearing high rise. It fits fine. I think it's a very flattering top. And it's a very pretty pattern. I think this might be a keeper too. Okay, hold on, next item. Arg, I like this one too. This is the BB Dakota Crop-A-To-Me Moto Jacket and Lipstick. This is full price, and like I said, I saw this at Nordstrom and then it sold out. They got it and they sold out. It's $99. I don't think I can buy this yet. I really, really like it. I think I'm gonna have to wait and just, you know, buy it another time. Maybe just get the 2 blouses right now, because it's just be too much of an expense, especially just right after my Trendsend. This is just adorable. I love it. It has the pockets here, okay? Moto style. These do not snap down, so they're kind of like a faux snap here. And of course I have it zipped up. And one of the reasons I have it zipped up is I have this ugly green shirt on underneath that doesn't really go with it. So that's the reason why it is zipped up. But this is the way it looks unzipped. Okay, and here's the back of it. It is so cute. Let me come in closer so you can see the color. This is a great spring little jacket. Adorable. Oh, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna eat my heart out. Poor me. All right, I'm gonna have to do some math here and figure out what to do. Up next is this green top, and I do actually like this green top. But to me, this top is kind of like an oxymoron. So this is the Johanna 3/4 sleeve top in pine, and it's only $27 from a company called Another Love. It's a cute top, but in this 3/4 style, I wouldn't want pine green. I would want a spring color in this style, or I would want a longer sleeve in this style, because to me, this is a fall or / winter top, and that doesn't correlate with 3/4 sleeves really, to me in my mind. Like this is like the style of it and the weight of it is a spring top, and I'm fine with the weight of it if it were longer sleeves, because then I could have layering. I guess I could even layer with sleeveless, but you can't really layer with this because it's the balloon sleeve. So I think I'm gonna pass on this. This is something I can do without. It's not something I would ever miss if I sent it back. That I would miss and I'd be thinking about it. The 2 blouses, I'd be thinking about it. This I would not be thinking about if I sent it back, all right? You know, this would be just to keep to get the discount, which I'm trying to avoid doing things like that. Okay, next up, the shorts and t-shirt. Okay, last 2 items are the high-rise utility cargo short in white, and they're really an off-white, size extra small by Just Black. For $74. Is that insane or what? So no, these are not going to stay with me. They have these pork chop pockets here in front. They're a good length for me. I'm okay with this length. They have like a contrasting stitching, so I'll come closer so hopefully you can see. All right, so it has like a beige stitching like on an ecru. I don't like the way they fit me. So yeah, there's just too much fabric here. It's too long in the rise. It's already well past my belly button. So I don't like the way they fit me. And the Casey Modal V-neck tee in sea glass, extra small by Z Supply, $39. Very pretty color, nice soft neutral color. Beautiful t-shirt, nothing wrong with it. Just don't want to pay $39. I'd much rather get one for $10 or $15. Yeah, and that is my box. So I am thinking I'm sadly going to send back the Moto because it's just a little bit too pricey now, and I'm thinking I'm going to keep the 2 blouses. I'm going to look back at the footage and make my decision. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Give this video a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and take care, and until next time.